So my next step is I am going to take my autolyzed dough and I'm going to gently pull it up from the bottom of the bowl in about 5 to 10 seconds. I'm just going to kind of form this into a ball. I'm going to do the same with my other loaf here. And you know that it's starting to really autolyze because it's getting really not super sticky, like it's not really sticking to my hands, but it's sticking to itself. So there. Once I do that, then I am going to cover that with plastic wrap. It doesn't have to be super tight, but it just has to be on there. This is great plastic wrap, by the way. If you have a Costco membership, love this stretch plastic wrap. It cleans very well. Cover your second one. That. And then put a clean towel over both of them. And then I'm going to put those in my oven with just the oven light on. Now, don't turn on the oven, just put the oven light on, and that's just enough temperature for it to begin to rise the dough.